Hello my friends, this is Forest Family Life and we're gonna be milling another awesome log. Huge hickory pecan, I think it's gonna be pecan hickory. It's really hard to see how it looks inside, but it's quite big, approximately 18-inch wide, maybe even bigger, up to 20. I've got to measure. We're gonna go and measure right now. But that's the log we're gonna be milling in couple seconds, or a couple minutes. It looks big, nice, beautiful. How much I understand, this is one of the hardest tree in the United States, and we're gonna be we just installed completely brand new blade, so I hope it's gonna cut smoothly as possible. All right, just bring my ruler, so let's measure and see how wide this one. Oh wow, actually it's a 20-inch wide. My mill can take maximum 22-inch. I mean, can cut 22-inch wide. All right. On this side, probably going to be smaller. Yeah, I think this one is going to be smaller. This one is 18, 17. If you're going to do this way, that's going to be 20, even 21. So this is going to be wider, shorter a little bit. And the log by itself, let's see here. It's a 80 inch. I think we're gonna make really nice slabs, so let's put it on the mill and take a look at how it's gonna turn out. Woo! Okay, let's see if I'm gonna make it. Alright, perfect. I want to make sure it's lined up nicely and get inside the bed. Okay, it's still too high. Woo! Ooh, almost there. Alright, let's take a look if it's laid down nicely in the bed. Yeah, it looks like that looks good. This side's a little bit lower, but I think should be fine for the slabs. The blade's completely new, so it's good. We can close this door now. Alright, let's see how it's gonna work. If we manage, plan is like this. We're gonna be cutting this log to the 2-inch thick slabs. So basically, we're gonna make 2-inch slabs, and I hope we're gonna. I hope the slabs gonna turn out beautiful. Let's cut and see inside. Alright, gonna make a first cut and see how new blade perform and with this log. Yeah, it's really hard yet to see, but it's look beautiful inside. Okay, so we have first slab, 1 inch. Making some waves. Huh. It is making some waves. Wow, that's how hard. And we're gonna make one more cut before we're gonna be turning the log. Yeah, it's really hard. This was really hard for my meal. It's making it shake everything. Everything shakes and kind of breathes, so it feels that this sawmill is actually struggling a little bit with this wood. Okay, I'm gonna do one more cut. Still making waves. It is struggling. This mill quite a bit struggling with this log. Make some waves. It's pretty significant. All right, the center looks really nice. Look at this. This log, it's big. I'm trying to turn it. It's really heavy. Flip it. Take a look at. Oh wow, that's what I like it. I like this part. Yeah, it made some waves. Yeah, even with the new blade. Let's actually watch it and take a look at the texture of this hickory. Alright, I think everyone excited to see how the texture is gonna look of this hickory. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? This looks beautiful. Look at the texture of this, especially the middle part. Yeah, the wood, the slab, it looks amazing. I really like how it's colorful right here, especially this part. I don't know how it's gonna look completely dry, but I think it should look really beautiful for some kind of like a small coffee table or something like that. It should turn out pretty nice. Or you can make a really big table by putting together 2 slabs. This mill is struggling, but still cutting with the struggle, I would say. And you have to still deal with some little waves of that wood. Yeah, I can feel right here. Yeah, and more. Oh, it's crazy heavy. Yeah, I have a little bit more bigger waves right here on this side. for some reason, especially where you have knots right here like this. Okay, I don't see that much wave, a little bit, slightly. The LX55 WoodMizer struggled with the hickory, one of the hardest trees in the United States. I don't know if this is the hardest one, but I think it's one of the hardest. If somebody knows other trees that native to the United States harder than hickory, tell me. I wanted to know. All right. Oh, it's not just a hard, but it's heavy. Ooh. Okay, I want to wash this one and see how it's gonna look. I love colors. Look at that. Beauty. It's just a beauty. Look at that. It's just amazing colors. This dark chocolate center, it looks beautiful. I love it. So, comment, my friends, what you think about the hickory, pecan hickory slabs. What you think, if you like it or you doesn't like it. I want to see your opinion in comment. So, and we'll see you, my friends, at the next video. Bye, my friends.